that we are able to come and participate and celebrate and get fulfilled, being part of the celebrations of Devi Meenakshi's
wedding and the wedding feast.
Nityananda. Today was Meenakshi Trikalyanam, and so blessed to be here at the celestial wedding of Meenakshi and Sundareshwara. As a human being, we have never seen how Meenakshi and Sundareshwara would have wedded, and how that ambience would be. Swamiji exactly replicated that ambience here today by giving us the blessings to witness their celestial marriage and such a beautiful feast. It's like witnessing a feast in witnessing a marriage in Kailasha and having a feast in Kailasha. So it was beyond words. So no words to describe. Thank you so much, Swamiji, for blessing us to be here, and more people should experience this. That's it.
I have a question. What is difference between source pattern and root pattern?
Source pattern is something which will empower you, which will make you powerful, whereas root pattern is something which is going to make you powerless. Root pattern is like some idea which you have got when the first time when you told yes to ignorance, the idea you have got and you have cherished it all the time throughout your life is called as root pattern, which is going to make you powerless. Whereas source pattern is when you completed this root pattern and you see that the whole world also, like people around you and everyone, or how they get that root pattern and you find the solution for it, is what I understand as source pattern.
Adding to her point, Swamiji said root pattern is like when you associate yourself with powerlessness. Like the first time something happened and you felt incomplete or powerless about it, and that's affecting your actions now. That is root pattern. But source pattern, Swamiji said, is associated with powerfulness. What I understood is like the click you get when you are powerful, which brings you out of incompletion, is source pattern. They know us more than ourselves. They know how we truly are without any of the incompletions. Swamiji said anything we perceive about ourselves which is not aligned to what Upanishads thinks, it's false because it's full of our powerlessness. So what Upanishads think of us is like the truth think of us. They say that we are pure consciousness and that's all we are. How Swamiji says in Guaranteed Solutions, the reason why we seek attention from people is because we don't know who we truly are, so we judge ourselves based on what other people think of us, and they might perceive full of incompletion, so we start thinking that we are that incompletion. So when Swamiji says we are pure consciousness, it's without any incompletion and it's the truth.
I appreciate the opportunity to be able to travel to Varanasi for inner awakening. I am part of New York Varanasi, and I'm grateful for the camaraderie, the people here that has been encouraging me. I am traveling to IA for personal reasons, not only for help, but also to enhance my personal life. The goals, the latent abilities, the aspiration that I hold deep within myself